This is a new moon chakra reset meditation created to help you gently cleanse, release, and rebalance your entire chakra system. The new moon is not a time to activate or push your energy upward. It is a time of rest, clearing, and deep reset, where old energetic patterns dissolve and the system returns to neutrality and balance. In this meditation, we will slowly move through each chakra, allowing it to release stored tension, emotional residue, mental patterns, and energetic congestion without any force. This practice is especially supportive during the new moon or the Amavasya, but it can also be used anytime you feel energetically heavy, overstimulated, or disconnected. Find a comfortable position where your body can fully relax. Allow yourself this time. We will begin by grounding the body and calming the breath. Gently close your eyes. Bring your attention to the points where your body touches the surface beneath you. Notice how the ground, how the Mother Earth supports you effortlessly. You do not need to hold yourself up. You are being held gently by Mother Earth. Allow your shoulders to soften. Relax your jaw. Relax your body. Let your tongue rest naturally in your mouth. Now bring your awareness to your breath. Inhale slowly through your nose for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold gently for a count of 2. 1, 2. And exhale through your mouth for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's do it again. Inhale for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now hold for a count of 2. 1, 2. Now exhale for a count of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. With every exhale, feel your nervous system settling. The body receives the message that it is safe. Now imagine your breath flowing downward. With each exhale, feel the heaviness moving into your hips, your legs, your feet. Imagine gentle roots growing from the sole of your feet, extending deep into the earth. The earth absorbs tension effortlessly. Allow your breath to return to a natural rhythm. From this grounded, stable place, we begin the chakra reset meditation. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine. This chakra is called as the Muladhara chakra that holds survival patterns, fear, insecurity, and stored stress. You are not activating this chakra. You are allowing it to empty and reset. Imagine the root chakra gently opening like a valve, releasing heavy, dense energy downward into the earth. All the old fears, financial stress, unconscious tension held in the body, all of it drains effortlessly. The new moon absorbs what is released. Silently affirm, I release all the survival tensions. I am safe in this moment. Feel the base of your body becoming calm, steady, and neutral. Move your awareness to the lower abdomen, just below the navel. This chakra is called the Swadhisthana chakra that stores emotional memory, attachment, suppressed feelings, and creative blocks. Imagine this area surrounded by soft darkness. Emotions that no longer need to be carried begin to dissolve. Old relationships, unprocessed feelings, guilt, or emotional weight. There is no judgment, only release. Silently affirm, I allow emotional balance and flow. Notice a sense of softness and ease returning to this area. Bring awareness to the upper abdomen. This chakra is called the Manipura chakra that holds identity, control, willpower, and self-worth patterns. Imagine pressure slowly melting away. The need to control, the need to prove, the weight of expectations, all gently dissolve into the new moon's darkness. Silently affirm, I release the need to control. I allow inner balance. Feel the center becoming calm, spacious, and neutral. Now bring awareness to the center of your chest. This chakra is called as the Anahata chakra that holds grief, emotional armor, old wounds, and unexpressed love. Imagine the heart resting, not opening, not closing, just resting. Layers of emotional weight gently peel away. Old disappointments, unspoken grief, defensive patterns. The new moon holds all of it safely. Silently affirm, I allow my heart to rest and renew. Feel the chest soften. Your breathing becomes easier. Bring awareness to your throat. This chakra is called as the Vishuddhi chakra, that holds unspoken words, suppressed truth, and communication blocks. Imagine tension dissolving into silence. Words which you never said, things you swallowed to keep peace. They are all released without needing any expression. Silently affirm, I release all the blocked expressions. I honor my truth. Notice a feeling of openness and ease. Bring awareness to the space between your eyebrows. This chakra is called as the Agnya chakra, that holds mental overload, overthinking, confusion, and excessive analysis. Imagine the mind becoming quiet. Thoughts slow down. Mental images fade away. There is no need to seek clarity right now. Silently affirm, I allow clarity to return naturally. Rest in the quiet awareness behind thought. Now bring your awareness to the top of your head. Now, this is the last chakra, the seventh chakra, known as the Sahasrara chakra. There is no light. There is no imagery. Just spacious stillness. This is not activation. This is reset through emptiness. Silently affirm, I rest in pure awareness. Feel yourself floating in deep calm. Now imagine your entire chakra system resting together, aligned, quiet, and neutral. There are no blockages. There is no excess. From this stillness, natural balance returns. Remain here for a few breaths. Begin to bring awareness back to your breath. Feel the space around you. Gently move your fingers and toes. When you are ready, open your eyes. This new moon chakra reset works by allowing each energy center to release any stored tension, emotional residue, and subconscious patterns without forcing energy to move. It supports nervous system regulation, emotional cleansing, energetic balance, mental clarity, preparation for new intentions. This practice is especially effective during the new moon, when the system is naturally receptive to reset and renew. Thank you all for allowing yourself this deep movement of energetic renewal. If this meditation has supported you, please share it with someone who needs it. Rest in stillness. The new moon has already begun its work within you. Om Namah Shivaya.